Welcome back to your Cali Bro J. This is day 2 of the trimming. It's about to start raining, so I just tried to rush out here real quick and trim some of this. I started on Sunday, and now today is, what's today? Today is Tuesday. I started on Sunday, and now it's Tuesday, so it's about to rain, so I tried to get out here, fertilize, and throw, I tried to fertilize and cut some more vines off, but let me show you this, guys. So I tried to label some of them because I know I have one of my comrades, you've seen him on the videos, Jeff, he wanted to come and pick up a couple of these Lavernes right here. This is Laverne Red right here. So I just labeled a few of them. There's some bigger cuttings down at the bottom, but even with the new cuttings, like this right here, this is a new branch, but look right here. There's a bud right there. So you have to be careful when you're sometimes trimming because these are mature branches. So you have to be careful that you don't trim off buds. Like this branch right here, this is a new branch also, but look at that right here. There's a bud right there. All right, so that's what I'm If you've made it this far in the video, why haven't you hit that like, share, and subscribe button yet? It's free. It's your Cali Bro J. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one. And now let's continue with the video. Peace.